A special message to you. We are hosting, the Mortgage Center is hosting the area's premier real estate event on January the 31st from 7 to 9 p.m. And if you are a realtor or work in the real estate industry, are a private lender, or even a real estate investor, you'll want to attend this event. We've got a great lineup of speakers, people who you normally do not hear from or have access to. Some of the things that I wanted to draw your attention to, we have the director of Equifax Canada coming, and that is going to be, he is an amazing speaker. I've heard him talk a little bit about trends in credit and how that's impacting people. And we all want to know that are working in the real estate industry, because when people are having a hard time making ends meet, their credit is affected, and then that in fact impacts the general real estate industry. We have an economist from Sagen, which is the former Genworth Financial, and just a reminder, they are one of Canada's largest providers of private default insurance. So remember, in Canada, most mortgages are insured or insurable. And they're going to talk a little bit about trends that they're seeing on a Canadian national level, but they're also going to bring it down locally. And then we're having the CEO of Value Connect, which is an appraisal services company, talk a little bit about some of the trends that they're seeing in real estate values, because the majority of mortgages that we're doing right now are require an appraisal. So if you own real estate or are, buying and selling real estate or work in the real estate industry, or just a lawyer that needs an appraisal done for an estate, you won't want to miss that. So again, just a personal invitation to you. You can book a time or buy a ticket by clicking the link below. And we look forward to hearing from you and seeing you on January the 31st.